Facing trouble with your iPhone not recording in 4K at 60 frames per second after the iOS 18 update? Don't worry, this could be due to settings being reset or a few minor glitches. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix it and restore your 4K 60 FPS recording in just a few steps. Solution 1. Enable 4K video recording in settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Camera. Tap Record Video. Choose 4K at 24 FPS, 4K at 30 FPS, or 4K at 60 FPS, based on your preference. After that, exit Settings and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Check available storage. Open the Settings app and tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage space for 4K video recordings. If space is low, delete unnecessary files or offload apps. After that, try recording again in 4K at 60 FPS. Solution 3. Change video format. To do this, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Camera. Tap Formats. Select Most Compatible. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset your preferences and settings. After that, check your camera settings and toggle 4K at 60 FPS back on. If you followed these steps, you should be able to fix the 4K 60 FPS recording issues after the iOS 18. If this video helped, don't forget to hit that like button. Still having trouble? Drop a comment below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.